Our match continuing here. Both wrestlers pinned down. Oh, there we go. And now a pin's going to come up here for the Mavericks of McCutcheon. And that'll make the score 40-13. As Preston Blackwell sliding in there for the pin. And it'll be Devin Snyder against Tyler Harlan at 2:20. Harlan trying to get his man over, grabbing that shoulder, trying to pull him back. Oh, nearly getting those near fall points. Boy, that was close. Now he's got him. Feet to the mat, trying to roll him over. Still trying. He's got him on his back. Snyder trying to stay off his back. Referee counting those near fall points. Bulldogs hoping, not going to be able to keep him there. Now getting him back. This match very close, could be called, and it is. Another big win for the Bulldogs. And receiving a forfeit at 285 is Zach Rumschlag. Rumschlag winning by forfeit at 285. And this will bring up our final match of the evening. At 106, Abel Craig against Nick Weaver. Our final match of the evening will be a forfeit for Bulldog Zach Gentry, so Weaver will try to win the final match of the night. He'll start out with a big stop there. And now off the mat is what the official rules, so Weaver will be on top. Nick Weaver trying to get position here on the opponent. And almost a reversal. Weaver holding on. 22 seconds left to go in the match. Oh, Weaver nearly getting some near fall points there, but able to scoot out of it. Weaver riding his opponent from behind. Abel Craig, McCutcheon wrestler at 106. Minute 16 left to play in the second period. 52-13 the score. 2-0 Bulldogs in this match. Weaver running the clock now as he holds on to his opponent from behind. And now we'll go to the third and final period. 3-0 for the Bulldogs. Weaver will start on bottom. And a win obviously in sight here for the Bulldog 106-pounder. Abel Craig will need to make an offensive move here. Timeout called as Weaver will, presumably a blood timeout of some sort. Oh, nice reversal there by Weaver quickly. Weaver holding on to both hands of Craig. He's up 5-0. Craig trying to sit out. Weaver trying to control the wrist. Weaver content to hold his position here inside of a minute. (52-13) is our score. .30 seconds to go. The Bulldog 106-pounder is content to just run things out here at this point because obviously he would be victorious. Running his man towards the mat. 15 seconds, now 10 seconds as the clock will stop. And Weaver sensing victory. Holding on to his man. 8 seconds to play. Holding on top. And that'll do it. Clock will sound. And that's going to do it. Weaver will be victorious. That'll run the score to 55 to 13. And our final match of the evening will go by forfeit to Zach Gentry at 113. And that'll make our final score tonight 61 to 13. The Bulldogs will be victorious here on senior night. So we do want to thank everybody for tuning in tonight here on Audio Sports Online. Certainly appreciate that. Bulldogs victorious 61-13. We will see you on Saturday morning for county tournament action, an all-day event right here on Audio Sports Online. Until then, I'm Rob Kendall saying have yourself a great night. Bulldogs take it over the Mavericks 61 to 13.